And if you want to look like the Tin Man of the Wizard of Oz, slap it on. Slap it on, guys. Why not? Glue boaster. What's a glue boaster? Shall I start again? Yeah, why not? There's no bloody full stops in it. I do like full stops in writing. Do you know what I mean? Grammar, please, guys. So today's tutorial, babes. Sorry, guys, you're not my babes. Well, some of you might be if you want to. Hello, gorgeous ones. Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Joseph. It's lovely to have you all with us today. And today, in today's tutorial, because today is such a foul day in England, it's the 31st of May, it's supposed to be summer, it's acting more like bloody autumn. Someone have a word with him upstairs, would you, just to turn the old heating up a little bit. I'm talking about, you know, the man upstairs in the summer and the sun. Yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. So I thought that I'd just been into town and I went into Superdrug and I'm just trying to get out my my makeup kit because I'm going to be training to be a makeup artist very soon, which I'm filming a vlog of, and be uploading those to this channel too. And I went into Superdrug and I got this one, which is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. And I thought we could try it out. It's brand new. So if that sounds like something you guys at home want to watch, stay tuned. So today's tutorial, babes. Sorry, guys, you're not my babes. Well, some of you might be if you want to. No, sorry, guys. What am I doing? What am I talking about, babes? Sorry, guys. Yeah, today's tutorial will largely be an experiment. So I can't believe I just said that, guys. You did say it though, Joe. Yeah, I know I did. Today's tutorial will largely be an experiment, me using this on my face in various different ways so that we can, or I can get the most natural look out of the Halo filter. I should just let you guys at home know that I do talk a lot, guys. So I don't like the sound of my own voice at all. In fact, I can't stand it, but there's quite a lot to say, and an itchy neck again. What's up with me? Must have an allergic reaction to something. Right, so what I like to do is, whilst talking a lot, I also like to read out of the website. Every time I review something, I read out what the description says, and the cat just banged my elbow. Clumsy Joseph again. So we'll go to the e.l.f. website now. This is the elf.co.uk website. Can you see that up there? And it's called the Halo Glow Liquid Filter, and it's a 30.1, yeah, 31.5 fluid mil. So it's just a fraction larger than your average size foundation, because the liquid foundations typically come in a 30 mil or a 1 fluid ounce. So is it 1 fluid ounce? No, 1.6 fluid ounce. Sorry, guys. Right, and it comes in 8 shades. The Hollywood filter. What are you talking about? The Halo Glow filter, Halo Glow Liquid Filter, rather, comes in 8 shades, all of which they look quite cool toned to me. I don't know whether you guys agree with that or not, but that's the colours, and this is the colour I got today, which is number 3 light medium. It was quite fun in Superdrug today, guys, because there was the lady that works there. She's got gorgeous green hair. It looks wicked. Wicked? Do we still say wicked, or is that too 1990s? I'm very behind the times, guys. Anyway, she was stacking the shelves and she was filling up the e.l.f. cabinet, and there was this shade and the shade paler than this, and there were loads of dark ones, but this was the last one in this colour, and there was only one of the fairer colour too. Yeah. And we just had a long conversation about which one would suit me and which one she used. So it's obviously a very, very popular product. And I believe that this is a dupe for Charlotte Tilbury's Hollywood Flawless Filter. Although obviously being a budget beauty, a beautier or a budgeteer. What am I talking about? Being a beauty budget person or content creator, we're trying to find the less expensive alternatives of the big. You know what my philosophy is behind all of those. And if we can't find it, guys, I can always make it. So this comes in this is brand new, as I said. It's sealed, factory sealed on both sides, and it's the label is attached to the top. It just, you know, keeps it in place by security sealing it, so you can tell whether it's been used or not, whether these two pieces of paper on either side are torn or not. And it's a glass bottle, guys. So good thumbs up there. Pink plastic top, and the colour, it looks quite good for my skin tone. What do you think? The proof will be in the testing, of course, or the proof of the pudding will be in the eating, except I'm not going to eat this today, am I? I might do, though. Anybody fancy an e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter sandwich? No thanks. Right, so what I like to do is just to read off the product and then compare what they say to the what the website says. So, Halo Glow Liquid Filter infused with squalene and hyaluronic acid. This glow booster creates a skin-enhancing soft focus effect for flawless radiance. It's the only filter you'll ever need. We shall see. Customize your glow. Wear alone, under or over makeup, mix with foundation or as a highlighter. Apply to desired areas and blend into skin. So what they're doing there is they're just saying that, you know, you can mix it with moisturizer, use it on its own, use it on top of foundation or underneath foundation. And we can try all of those today, guys, if you want. It's entirely up to you, beautiful ones. Well, it's not. It's entirely up to me. It's me that's filming this. But, you know, at the end of that, we may as well try them all, mayn't we? So I'll now read from the website. This is the e.l.f. website. And as I said, it comes in 8 shades. And this, I believe all of them are quite cool looking. So what is it? A multi-purpose liquid glue boaster. Glue boaster? What's a glue boaster? Shall I start again? Yeah, why not? Sorry, guys. What is it? A multi-purpose liquid glow booster fused with skin-loving ingredients to give your complexion a soft focus social filter effect, IRL. And if anybody knows what IRL stands for, let me know in the comments because I haven't got a clue. Why you'll love it. Glowing makeup and skincare hybrid for dewy skin complexion, looks healthy and more radiant. There's no bloody full stops in it. I do like full stops in writing, do you know what I mean? Grammar, please, guys. I have had various different cosmetic companies myself in the past, and it's essential that when you're running a decent or a good quality website that you must get the grammar right, mustn't you? I mean, what's the point otherwise? Waffling again, right. Enriched with skin-loving ingredients like squalene and hyaluronic acid, available in 8 flexible? Why flexible? Does that mean that they flex on the skin, or who knows? We'll find out, won't we? Available in 8 flexible shades that work across all skin tones. Glass container is recyclable. Key ingredients: squalene moisturizes skin. Hyaluronic acid hydrates skin. There's no difference between those two, guys. Hydration and moisturization are exactly the same. Finely milled powders blur lines and pores for a smoother, soft focus look. And that's what we're after today, guys. We're after the, you know, the powders, the hyaluronic acid and the squalene in any foundation. They just won't make any difference, because the amount of hyaluronic acid and squalene which is in this bottle of basically Shine, it is just so minimal, guys. It makes it obsolete, so, or redundant. Do you know what I mean? And please don't wash off, guys. There's even more. Look, right. Achieve a gorgeous glow with the only filter you'll ever need. This innovative complexion booster and skincare makeup hybrid is infused with squalene, potato, and hyaluronic acid to enhance the overall look of skin while imparting, shouldn't that be whilst? Oh, I don't know. Whilst imparting a soft focused radiance. Wear on its own, under or over makeup, mix with your favourite foundation for a dewy finish. Good point there. Or use as a highlighter to illuminate the high points of your face, i.e. there, and there. Or anywhere, really. I mean, if you want to look like the Tin Man of the Wizard of Oz, slap it on. Slap it on, guys. Why not? Available in 8 flexible shades that work beautifully across all skin tones. Now, why have they done that again? Why have they've already told us all about the product and, you know, why you'll love it. And then down here, it's all, oh, I don't know. And then they go on and there's loads of shameless plugs about what it matches with. It matches with, pairs well with. So not doesn't match with, but if you buy this, it will go, you know, again, a shameless plug. But right, I'll put my mobile phone away now, guys, and just concentrate on you beautiful ones. And our hero product of today, the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. And so we crack this little baby open. Why not, eh? So all you do is you just turn it. Oh, sugar. Which way? Oh, bloody hell. Can't get into the... Ah, right. Okay. You need to take the these little... It's not paper, guys. It's actually pieces of plastic. Right, guys. So I've finally got into it. So I've taken the... you have to peel them off. And should we just have a look and see what first impressions are? So open it up. And take it out, and it's very faint, sort of funny. It smells a little bit like an old L'Oreal foundation. I can't remember the name of it. It was one of their very silicone-y ones, one of those flawless, true skin true ones. You know, those ones that bond with second skin's what I'm trying to say. Second skin, guys. Right. So, can you see that? Just maybe put a little bit more on, guys. Don't drop it. Just put a little bit on the back of my hand to see what how sparkly or how shiny it actually is, or how much like a piece of tinfoil I'm going to look like. So it's not that reflective really, guys. It's just, oh sugar, it's just there. Can you see that, guys? It's just, if I bring that a little bit closer, focus, that's it, good boy. But I think the colour match is excellent for my skin, don't you? And we'll go in with the round end. No, should we go in with the pointed end? Let's go in with the pointed end, shall we? And then just gather up some of the product onto the sponge. Shall I add it all? Yeah, why not, eh? So I've got all of that on the sponge now, guys. And I'm just going to start in the centre of my face and work out, which is what you're supposed to do. And this, sorry, this is a silicone-based formula, guys. So it will, that using water with it, because water repels silicone or vice versa, silicone repels water. So it should in fact change the composition very slightly. It will alter it just to make it a little bit more unique to us and what we're after today, guys. So how does that look? Really shiny? Yep, really bloody shiny. Right, first impressions. Right, guys, so that's one layer of that one on. And I suppose in some respects it has, let's put my glasses back on, gorgeous ones. What do you think? It's added luminance around here, certainly. And it looks really, really natural. I'm really, really impressed. Wow, look at that area there, guys. Look at that. Wow, that's incredible. It's almost got like a holographic sort of so I keep looking, I've got another camera over there, guys. Joseph has two cameras because I wanted to just, you know, film this this from different aspects. So hello people over there, I've got another camera here. It's like talking to two different audiences. I know that these will all be blended into the same thing in the end, but yeah, that is really, really impressive, guys. Considering my spotlight is here and my my window is here, as you can see here. I don't know if you can see in that camera, but my window is here. But that's gorgeous, isn't it? I'm really, really impressed with that. And the funny thing is with the Halo liquid filter thing from e.l.f., and this was £14, guys. Did I tell you that already? Can't remember. Is the fact that I've totally forgotten what I was going to say, totally gone. And the incredible thing about this formula, guys, is it is so sheer that you cannot actually see, it doesn't give you any coverage per se. Do you know what I mean? You can't actually see it on, it won't cover pimples or spots or anything like that. And I think that it has blurred, let's have a closer, I can't see a thing without my glasses on, but what do you think, guys? It's definitely added glow here, here and here. And I like that area there. I think that's wonderful. Wow, look. So for £14, you can turn yourself into the Tin Man. It does give your skin a very, very faint, or no, quite strong, in fact, shimmer or glow, if you like. Although it hasn't got that horrible metallic-y look, which a lot of micas or micas can give your skin. I think that looks really natural, don't you guys? What I'll need to do is obviously go and check in daylight, and if I look like, you know, a sheet of aluminium, then I'll have to rethink the situation. But no, I'm very impressed with e.l.f. So we've tried it on with the Beauty Blender, and it's worked really, really well, guys. So for £14, and this is going to go into my kit, as I've already said 1,000 times. And also, I'm going to be making a dupe of Charlotte Tilbury's Crystal Elixir, you know, the magic serum, and that's got a very glowy sort of composition to it. So this one will be going in there along with about a ton of mica as well too, guys. So right, guys, I thought that the acid test to see how effective this liquid halo filter by e.l.f. is to maybe go in with quite a heavy powder foundation to see how reflective the sorry, the filter is. So I'm going to open, this is the Matte Superstay Hybrid Powder Foundation in shade 21, which is quite a cool tone, or a more of a neutrally sort of tone. They do a cool tone, but again, I'm just soaking my sponge. So what I'll do, guys, is I'll go in with my very, very wet beauty sponge and just get some of the old Maybelline on there. So that's quite a lot, really. That should do for my entire face, and I'll just bounce him in there, there and there. Oh, sugar, really dropped the bloody thing. And hopefully, because these are both silicone, they'll work very, very well together. I mean, the e.l.f. and the Maybelline are both silicone formulations, so they'll match, and that you won't get any, shouldn't have any issues with it. And I'm just going to turn it over and go in with my pointed end. Dropped it on the floor. And by wetting your sponge, guys, that really, really does shear the formula right down, which was a discovery I made very recently. And I actually saw quite a big YouTuber using this technique the other day. So word's getting out there, guys. Right, hopefully I haven't washed or removed most of the filter off, but it's certainly dampened it down, hasn't it? It's certainly mattified the shine, but not, what's that? Oh, a piece of reflection, but nowhere near as bad as if we didn't wet the sponge first. But there's an entire different video on that, and I have done a whole tutorial on how to use the Maybelline Powder Hybrid Foundation with a wet sponge, and I'll link that into the description. But I was hoping that, yeah, you can see there, guys. Can you see that bit of skin just there, the glow shining through? It's pretty uneven though, isn't it? Maybe it's just my application technique. So just finger blend the rest of that one in. And also by finger blending, guys, a powder foundation, after you've applied it, because you've got oils in your hand, they will help to blend the foundation into your skin just a little bit better, and to help make it look a little bit more natural. How's that now, guys? About the same. Now you can see the tip of my nose. Can you see that, guys? That looks quite reflective, doesn't it? And yet natural at the same time. So today we have learned that the £14 e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter used on its own makes you look like a piece of metal. Used with a powder foundation on top, like the Maybelline 24-hour Hybrid Powder Foundation, it can create quite a soft, sort of glowy sort of finish, which looks pretty natural. Would I be able to wear this out and about? I doubt it, guys, and I wouldn't want to risk it, but still, you can still see my pores on my nose, and I don't know what to say about that one, guys, really. So it's sort of like a middle of the road review at the moment. It's neither thumbs up nor thumbs down, but I didn't buy it for me to wear. I mean, I bought it for my kit and for future tutorials, skincare tutorials. So guys, that's the end of today's review of the e.l.f. Halo Liquid Filter Glow Thingamajiggy, whatever it's called. I didn't like the doe foot. I found it, if they had a pump in there, that would have been much, much, much easier. And I've obviously washed it off the back of my hand now, and I'll have to go and wash my face again for the millionth time today. But I think that, can you see there, and on the tip of my nose, not so much on my cheek, but definitely here, there's a glow there which would have been there anyway, but I just think it's more pronounced because we use the Maybelline with a wet sponge, using my technique there, or my tip, or my hack, if you like. But it's definitely a middle of the road review. I'm not thoroughly overly impressed, but then I'm not underly impressed. Underly. Arriba. Sorry, guys. Get back on the get with the program, Joseph. Yeah. So about a fair review I would give the old e.l.f. I mean, it's £14 well spent, because yeah, you've said that. Right, guys, if you enjoyed today's review, please give this video a thumbs up. Similarly, consider subscribing. Notice I did it there today as opposed to there or there. So do subscribe so that, you know, when I release new videos, which is quite regularly at the moment, guys. And if you hit the notification button to all, once you've subscribed, then you should receive notifications every time I release a new video. And all that remains for me is to wish you guys the rest of a gorgeous week. And I will see you all very, very soon, lovelies. Take care. See you. Bye.